So in this question, Lucy did a survey about the amounts spent by 120 men. Notice it's 120 men during their summer holidays. We've put it into a cumulative frequency table. That's a topic you should know about. And again, it's about the money spent by the 120 men. So notice that the end of the table comes to 120. So we have 13 men spending up to £100, 25 spending up to 150, so that includes that 13. So it's from 0 up to the end point of the interval, so 42 men up to 200, of which 25 up to 150, of which 13 up to 100, and so on. So first of all, we simply have to plot this. So we need to know that the end of the interval is like our x, and the cumulative frequency is our y. So I'm just going to write that in, x against y. So we're going to plot 100 with 13, so 113, you can see the small mark has been made there. Now, then we plot 150 with 25, so come across to 150 up to 25. These are just approximates, because I'm using my finger on an iPad to do this, but 200 against 42, 200 against 42, and 250 with 64, and so on. And you see that we get an S-shaped sort of curve. Now we're asked to, so we've drawn the cumulative frequency, we're now asked to find the median. Now the median is half of the number, so that the number altogether is 120, so I'm going to come in from 160 and come down onto this axis. So I'll draw that in. Now you use a ruler in the exam, come straight down. It's going to be around about 250. It's a little bit wobbly as I've drawn it with my finger. Just correct that slightly. Better on this time. Slightly better, so 250. Okay, that's it. And then on to the last part. Can we compare the amount of money spent by the women? We can see we've been told that the women spent 205, and we're saying the men spend on average 250. So we're going to say then, in comparing the amounts, that men spent more. So the men have spent more on average by about £45, and that's the answer to this question.